Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen that how we can modify strings, okay, using inbuilt function in Python. So in today's video we are going to see how we can concatenate strings. Like first let's understand what is concatenation. So concatenation is just combining two strings and we create one separate string. Okay, I will show you very quickly. So first we will create one file and I will say 11 dot string and I will say concatenation. Okay, oops, I need to add .py at the end, so I'll say py. Now here I will first create variable a equals to, I will pass string hello and I will create b variable which will be equals to world. Now let's say I want to combine this both string. Okay, so this can be done using plus operator. So plus operator is basically used for addition, right? And here also we are combining string. So we will concatenate string with plus operator. So I will create another separate variable which will be c equals to a plus b. Okay, and I will print c variable and let's see the result. You can see this hello world output, right? So this is not living space, but this is basically one combined string. Okay, if I say type, then I will show you. And run this, then you can see this is string form. But what if you want space between these two words? Then we can do something like this. So here I will say a plus empty string over here and another plus and I will say b. Then this should separate string. Okay, and I will just run this. You can see we got this hello world. Now you can do this same thing. I'll just cut it and I will paste over here and I will write C. Then also it will work. Okay, so this is string concatenation. So this is very easy concept and important too. Now we will see string formatting. Okay, so first I will create file over here which will be 12 dot string format.py and I will just write underscore. Okay, now see, for format string we have one inbuilt function which is format in Python. Okay, so let's say I'm creating variable name as age or let's say birth date. So I'll say DOB equals to I will write 21, or let's create age only. Age equals to 21. Okay, and here I will write one more string which will be let's say text equals to my age is curly braces. Okay, and if I print and I will say text and just run this, then you can see I got this my ages and empty curly bracket. This is showing us because we have not passed age. Okay, so if you want to pass your age to curly bracket, then you need to pass one function which is format. Okay, so here I will write dot format and I will write age. So like see, when you pass this string like my name, my age is curly bracket, so this is known as placeholder. This curly bracket is playing a role of placeholder. Okay, so whenever you pass any argument within this format function, so right now I have passed age, so this will take age variable and pass it to first bracket and I will create one another variable name equals to Yash. Okay, and here I will write and my name is curly bracket. Oops. Okay, and here I will just do comma and write name. So what it will do is it will take age and pass it over here, and it will take name and pass it over here. Okay, I'll just save this and run this. You can see my age is 21 and my name is Yash. I hope you got the idea. Okay, so you can also pass single variable and double variable, any choice you want. So this is known as a format string. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.